Gadget Inspector, Dustin Dunhill, Original Dobo, and the list goes on and on. Albert Kim. Anyway, so here we go. Check this out. In the next video, I'm going to open this up so you guys can see exactly what's in here. It looks like it is Zorro Black. And let's see if there's any more fun features and facts and stuff. Radio Master. I don't know. You guys want to read this out to yourselves? You could. And there's also some interesting Instagram, Facebook, and Radio Master things that you can use your phone to, like if you stop the screen, you can take a picture or whatever. You can go check those things out if you'd like to. And yeah, interesting stuff. All right, so in the next bit, I'm going to open up the box for you guys. Stay tuned for that.
Likey.